made it.
Next year. I was looking for the shade. It's tomorrow, man. Don't even move.
We barely made it. We got 30 minutes to spare. Alright, we got registered. And there's 2 from Australia here. 1 from England, 1 from Germany. 3,702 from good old Miss. Mississippi and Louisiana seem to be leading the pack. Let's go find some groceries. They got a 4-speed in that one.
Now, cheap in the coast ain't right now.
Man, look at some tires on that Jeep.
Some big old tires.
Good Lord.
You gotta have a ladder to get up in there.
Just pop out your deck.
Oh, boys, I mean the traffic is bumper to bumper. We're giving these away as we're going down the road.
There's the Hudson Hornet cars.
There he is. Fabulous. Hudson Hornet. Oh, Daryl get a kick out of that.
There's a guy in Macon that does hypercars.
Yeah.
On 14.
Brad, yeah.
What's his name? I've seen him.
Brad, yeah.
Here.
The Hopper's happy
I
again.
didn't used to when I worked in Kemper.
Yeah.
Because it would sit for 2 to 3 days.
Sitting on that side.
I'm talking about like running with land.
Oh, yeah.
Mustang and a 56.
I don't know.
There's a 70 Super Sport.
I bought my truck in January and just run.
We're making our way back to Escatawba now. We got to run over to
Hello? Hello?
Buddy's and put a valve cover
I didn't
gasket
say
on.
who is this and you knew who it was.
It is overload with classic cars.
That's me.
Right through here's a bunch of newer ones. Got one coming up kind of nice. Looks like a 70 Chevelle Super Sport. Y'all seen our green one? This one's red. Oh, that's a beauty.
It is a 7.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Deanna Road.
Well, I'm dying to know. What's the question, my friend? Alright. Going over the bridge. Yeah, that's Ingles over there.
They build the finest boat there.
Yeah, they make a dandy boat. Alright, we made it back to the house. We got old Jake running the grill. Smells delicious. We're tired. We're registered. We're set up for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. So we're gonna head to Pascagoula to that venue, get in, get parked, get set up. We'll start live streaming from there. So this will be day 1 for us.